It's the holidays, so it is fit to air a special Christmas video now, during the holidays. So I'm spending Christmas here in Cabo Verde. Christmas here in Cabo Verde is different than from my country, Switzerland or America. Although it's still the same shopping and spendy extravaganza frenzy. I'm not a big Christmas fan. In fact, I don't like it. My ex-wife used to call me the Grinch because I didn't like to spend a bunch of money. It's true, just spend tons of money, but at the same time you can't not. So anyway, here in Cape Verde, Christmas is celebrated Christmas Eve. The families get together, they make dinner together, and that's what we're gonna do with Wendy and her new little place.
Christmas at her house. Vamos fazer Natal nessa casa.
So we went and got a bunch of food, fixed up her place as best as we can. It's very humble, please, let me tell you. And I just got back and got a few presents. As a matter of fact, it's also her sister Luini's birthday on the 24th, poor girl.
Hello guys!
I got her little present also. And some stuff for her son and a little present for Wendy. Nothing much, you know, nothing extravagant. And also, I've been charged to be making my
famous lasagna. Fazer minha lasagna famosa. Melhor do mundo.
Claro.
As Wendy says, it's the best lasagna in the world. Well, that's pretty sweet from her, but I think it's good too, because I put a lot of cream, a lot of cheese. So I'm gonna put that together, cook it here in the oven, and then bring it over to her house, because she doesn't have an oven. She doesn't really have a kitchen, she just has a hot plate. So she's kind of set up, but it's super humble. Anyways, her family's gonna be there. Her mom, her sisters, her brothers. I'll be part of that family for once, completely different than the family, my family back home in Switzerland. I'll miss you guys, but at the same time, I won't, because it's at least kind of warm here. The days are still from 7 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock at night. You have daylight and sunshine, and it's about 24 degrees, so it's a little chilly here at night. But it's not freezing, so. By the way, that's me in those pictures here. When I had the Christmas spirit, actually the commercial Christmas spirit, I used to work with the Ultra Christmas Market, and I did these photographs for a promotion, and that's me playing Santa Claus. So I'm not so much of a Grinch. Let's get going. I got some lasagna to make, and then you'll see what it's like over there at Wendy's little place. What's happening, Lily?
We're going to Caribbean. Fuck out of here.
Yeah, ¿por qué?
Porque CV's toxic. I'm done with this place.
Too much sex, drugs, and kizon, bye.
I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss you too.
Ciao, Gigi.
Hey, told Peter too.
Hey, we're out of here. I'm gonna go get my boat fixed.
Oh, it's a good thing Peter's gonna go get his boat fixed somewhere
You know what I
else.
did today? I went up the mast and put my light on the other way because they put it on backwards.
Oh, yeah.
And refused to fix it. Fucking 11 months late.
Are you happy? Well, Lily, you're
Look
gonna.
at my face. I'm going to Caribbean,
And then,
Mexico,
and then,
to Panama.
and then.
Not in that order.
We're
Going to
not.
the Pacific.
We're not saying goodbye. We're saying see you later.
soon.
See you soon.
That's right.
All right.
We'll be back.
There goes Peter and Lily. They're crossing. I'm gonna miss those two, man. Love them dearly. Oh well. Ciao! Oh, there they go. Bye. I'm gonna miss you. Love you guys too much, man. What a great time in Cape Verde. Those two will be spending Christmas out at sea. Just the two of them. I'm off to do last-minute spending in town. The marina is crowded with foreigners, called here strangers, which is fitting for strange vessels like this one. Then I ran into someone who is no stranger. Hey, look who's here, man. That dude. Who's that?
Fish.
Fish is back. Volta. And he's got a hangover. Você sabe qual é um hangover?
No, I don't.
Irezak.
I see you. Yeah. Too much. Passo amanhã dois filhos, as sapo.
Yeah.
Minha mãe, na casa.
Yeah.
Acaba de vir 15 de janeiro. Ora, 15 de dezembro. Lá que é cool.
Yeah, man. I'm finished to yeah.
Hesh had spent 8 months at sea. Good reason to celebrate when he was back. The whole town is gearing up.
So my lasagna sauce consists of ground pork, not beef, ground pork, which I cook up with some chopped up onions. Then I got some garlic all ready to go, but I like to put in later because I don't like it to cook too much. I like it to give you a little zing. As well with these little peppercorns that I have. I've got some olives I'm going to throw in there. I'm going to also put in some cheap red wine to give it that, European flavor. And then I've got an assortment of different tomato sauces that I found. And, you kind of deal with what you find here in Cape Verde. Pork is always good. Anything that's fresh is good, and you can find it here. Otherwise, everything has to be imported, and sometimes you find it, sometimes you don't. But here I've got a good selection of stuff. It's going to be a great lasagna. Then I got the cheese and the cream and all that stuff. You'll see. It's awesome. Okay, so now let's stir all these sauces in. Paste, sauce. Try not to make a big mess. Add a dab of sugar to this because, keeps the bitterness away. I'm going to put in the helloI'll, or garlic, in a second right here. Well, the sauce looks pretty darn good. Just going to let it simmer down a little bit and then pour it into the lasagna plates. And now, cheeses. Selection here is pretty much Dutch cheeses for the most part, but it's mostly Dutch mozzarella and some Gouda. And I've gotten a little bit of an aged Gouda. The stuff that came in a red ball, it's great. It's got a really good flavor, and it's making my mouth water. It's actually good. The Dutch cheeses, I actually like them a lot. They're great to cook with. So I got one that's almost ready to go into the oven. See, there's several layers here. It's not a very deep pan. I just need to add some more cream because I love cream. Then the last thing I add here is some ground nutmeg. There we go. Unpreheated. All right, just put it in there. Then I got to do another one. I think, but all right, this one's a little less creamy. It'll be fine. Take this out. Yeah. Wait to give that a try.
Now let's get this party started. First things first, and let me introduce you to the family.
This is Fabi. Fabi is Wendy's older brother. This is Eric, Wendy's brother too. This is Jessica, Wendy's sister. Johan. This is Alcinda, Wendy's mom. Beautiful.
Hello.
Luini. Liekledje. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Eskile.
Capitão América.
Capitão América.
Homem Ferro. Homem-Aranha.
Homem-Aranha. Uava, vou gostar de Homem-Aranha. Uava, vou gostar de lasanha.
Sim.
Sim? Wendy diz que é a melhor lasanha do mundo. Verdade, Wendy?
So here in São Vicente, Christmas starts on the eve at about 11:30. Everyone has a snack and a drink, and at midnight, they open their gifts.
Ja, en itchiness. Tem companhia na boa.
Het praten. Het praten.
Claro. En itchiness. En itchiness.
Devo comprar.
Oh, yan, Joaninha.
Não tá gostando, sabe?
Brinca.
Brincadeira.
Brincadeira.
Não tem muito tempo.
Gosta de lasanha que fazer? Yeah? Okay.
This went on until about 4 in the morning, when the little ones fell asleep. In bigger houses, the party will go on all night. And later that day...
Oh, this is Christmas night here in Cape Verde, Mindelo. All the kids are out. Wendy's all beautiful. Wendy can't help but scream like Slade here. He's running around. He looks good. He's got new clothes on. So this is Christmas night. Everybody's out, having fun.
We will get back to our regular programming next week. About my visa woes, my boom, and the crazy Spaniards. Until then, Happy New Year.
Happy holidays, everybody. It's time to blow out another year. These are gonna turn into shot glasses.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gadapan. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keeping us afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galapan's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, or make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.